We got us a wreck. We're looking for Squirtles on Pokemon Go. Hey everybody, this is Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm watching my step as I go down here. We're in White Deer Park in Garner, North Carolina. And when I was at this park to take a break, I came across a large group doing Pokemon Go, which I know some things about it, but I don't really understand the game. So they basically commandeered me, showed me how to play the game. So now we're looking for Squirtles, like I said earlier. So right now, as you can see, I'm just walking through the woods, trying to figure this game out. There's probably 200 people out here doing this. And that's about all I can tell you for now. We're gonna go across Archie's Bridge here. All right, I'm looking for Squirtles. I haven't found any. I know I found like 5 already, so I'm getting pretty good at this game. Okay, it's really nice out. It's a lot different from when I was up in Washington, D.C., where the humidity and the heat was about 106. But today out here, low humidity, and it's 80 degrees. All right, off we go.
It's a shiny. This is a shiny Squirtle Pokemon, and they're very rare. And
this is a rare shiny Pokemon Squirtle.
Awesome! And it's almost the end of the event.
Oh, these guys, they're going to do a raid.
So we can back out if you guys need more.
All this group here. They're coming out of the woods. And if you know anything about Pokemon Go, which I don't, I have no idea what the raid means or what they're going to do, but they're going to attack somebody. Here's the map of White Deer Park. Got some nice walking trails. There's some bike trails. Not mountain bike trails, but you can still take your mountain bike on there. And a lot of nice playgrounds for the kids that are made out of a lot of natural wood. Said all the trails around this park are definitely very well marked. You're not gonna get lost. I think everybody in this park is playing Pokemon Go. I haven't seen anybody in here that's not playing this game. Now they have a nature center here. Just outside the nature center, they have these little houses here. This one catches ladybugs and different types of bees and butterflies.
Well, the glare is pretty bad, but there's what a white-tailed deer looks like.
Around all the campsites and pavilions, they have these water catchers. One of the many playgrounds around here for the kids, and all this wood is repurposed from a lot of the trees that have fallen down here. So there's teeter-totters, swings, there's a slide, trees you can climb on. There we go, we're like back at headquarters, which is actually pretty nice because everybody brings food to eat while they're doing all this, and then they come in here and check their Pokemons and their scores or whatever they got, and off they go. Well, that's about it from White Deer Park, so I'm gonna head out to probably into Raleigh and see what's over there. But this was kind of interesting for a couple hours. These people do this, it seems, I think every weekend for 3 to 4 hours, so to each his own. It was kind of fun though. I did find a couple squirrels though, or squirrels or squills or whatever that is. We're in Wake County. Take a look at historic Yates Mill County Park. The story of Yates Mill. And this mill is actually built back in the 1700s, but this photograph right here is the earliest photo that was taken of the mill back in the 1890s. Got a turtle tank here. The turtle is named Frankie, and the fish is named Nessie. The rings on this tree date it back to 1785, and it's believed to be 192 years old. All right, we're going to take a walk out of the visitor center and go see the mill. Looks like the theme of the day is walking paths. In recognition of the Wake County Historical Society for its efforts in 1989 to initiate the preservation and restoration of Yates Mill. And here are a few of the relics. We are heading down to the mill. So the logs from this cabin were salvaged from a tobacco barn that stood on the land to be flooded by Jordan Lake, which is about an hour north of here. So they rebuilt this using that wood. And there's Yates Mill. Yates Mill has been placed on the National Register of Historical Places by the United States Department of the Interior, 1756, and the Raleigh Historic Property, Yates Mill, 1756, 1820, 1854. Head on down here. I can hear the water going. That sign's there. Northern water snake habitat. Please don't disturb the snakes. I don't think we're going to have any problems with that. Walk across this bridge over here. Little rock climbing over here. Back behind the lake. Mill is still standing after all these years. Everybody's climbing on the rocks, and then there's a sign that says, "Please stay off rocks." Well, I guess during the week, they open these locks right here and let the water go down and open the other lock and let the paddle wheel start paddling, but not today. Well, that was a short day for me doing the Pokemon Go, which was actually kind of interesting. Just like I said, just came across that park there, and all these people were out there, and they invited me to join them, so that was very nice of them. And then Yates Mill was pretty interesting to see also. So, short day. Going to head into the city of Raleigh tomorrow. And on that note, traveler out.